I think we are live. So basically, the key has to be the stream key has to be placed right accordingly. Philip. The key has to be uh, the key has to be pasted here in the streaming software. That's when you can start streaming. I think I'm live now. I'm most certainly sure that I'm live. Mm, yes, I'm live, but I don't have a thumbnail here. So let's edit it. Let me check. But I don't have a thumbnail, right? So let's add a thumbnail. Let's add a description. This is the title. This will be description, and we are good to go. I think we are live. Let me check. Mm, we are live, right? Yo, yo, yo. What's up? Oh, latency is very also low. That's nice. Okay, so now I'm gonna close this. Everything is fine, right? So that's the key to going live. Okay. So now when I understand, okay, so we are live. The stream can be accessed again from the manage list existing. So I feel we are good. We are good to go, right? And now, so let's design things. Let's design things, okay? Uh, let's start with what is okay. So I'm gonna design this icon first. This is the first icon that I'm gonna design, okay? I hope everything is working. I hope. Why there is no thumbnail, bro? I am live. Yes, I am live and there is a thumbnail also. We do have thumbnail. Let's refresh. I'm not able to see it here. Okay, no problem. I don't mind. Let's check. I can't see thumbnail. I think I need to re-upload the thumbnail. How do I do that? I think everything is fine then. Okay, my internet is also slow. This is not a good thing. Come on, come on. Everything okay. Cool, cool, cool. We are good now. So let's go to design mode now. Okay, so I'm gonna design this icon the first. Okay, so let's do that. Let's crop it out. So this is the icon that I'm gonna design here. Okay, so it is made up of these shapes. First shape. I have another way of designing this also, but let's design it this way first. Okay, and then let's flip this. Flip this. Where is the flip? And now we have the icon. What is the difference? 10, right? And here also the difference needs to be 10. No, no, no. Difference can be 8 also. Yes. Okay. We do have now icon. The icon is ready, guys. Now, if you want to know other methods of designing this, I'll show you one more method. In that, in that method, I'm gonna start with a triangle. So this is a triangle. Let's rotate this, flatten this. And now let's get two more points. 1 point, 2 point. And let's align these points. And now we are gonna just cut it. Okay. First cut, and this is the second cut. This. Done, right? Now you can change these also if you want anytime, but the icon is done. Now you can do all sorts of other things with this icon, like flatten this. First of all, let's flatten this. And then one, you can make it like a diamond shape or whatever you want to, right? Long, or do something like one, two, three, like anything. You can do anything now. Uh, or one, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five. I mean, you can now do anything with this icon, but I think most of the things are done, right? So let's move on to the next icon. This icon, okay? This is the next one. So let's crop it up. Mm, So this is the icon that I'm gonna design next. Let's take a frame, delete everything, whatever that was inside there. And now let's get crafting. Okay, opacity 50%. And now this, if you want to know, comment down in the chat box. I can, so okay, so I can uh, take that, comment section out so that I can see it anytime, right? That would be good. Where is the comment section? How do I take my comment section out? How do I take my comment section out, guys? No idea. Okay, that's how I take my comment section out. Pop-up comments. Now I can see my comments from anywhere. But no one is commenting, looks like. No problem. Taking comments. Okay, so let's get to the icon again. We do have icon here, right? So how do we design this? There are multiple methods of designing this. I'll tell you the first one, the simplest one. The simplest one would be we'll use this to design other things, okay? The simplest method, okay? I'm showing you. And now let's create this. Now let's copy this. Now we have that. We have the icon, guys. It's very simple. Do we have it? Let me show you if we have it or not. Oh, so these are also curved. No problem. We can curve them also. This is the corner radius. Okay. You can change it anytime. Do we have it? Yes, I think we have it. We can make it fully round whenever we want. Or you can just reduce the curvature, right? I mean, you can customize this according to whatever you want. But I mean, the basics you understand, right? So this is the icon. We do have an icon here. Now compare it to the original one. This was the original, and this was what we created. Similar, right? We can just directly, or we can create the same as this also. That's not a problem. But for now, this is also works. But let me try to show you the other methods of doing this. Okay, I'm gonna take it from here. So that's why I kept these versions, right? So we can use it anytime. So instead of this triangle, I'm gonna use a circle. And then I'm gonna use a line, right? I'm gonna then combine these two, okay, and then combine everything. I just keep putting these. It's my habit of keeping the previous versions also here so that I can go back anytime and take inspirations, or I can check where I was coming from and where have I gone. So basically, it's a good habit, right? You can also do the same for keeping. So align. Let's align this. Now it's aligned. Now we have something, right? Flatten. Now we need to. You see this? You can do that. So I think it's also. I think this is also done, right? Or if you want to make it even more, take these 2 points and make them also curved if you want to. I mean, that's completely your choice. If you want to, I mean, that's not a. You can do anything. Like this is a different icon, right? These are methods, but you can also do it like very draw it also using pen tool. Let me try to draw this here. This is pen tool. One, two, three, four, five. But in with the problem with a pen tool is you don't get accurate symmetric icons. I mean, you can try and hack your way to the symmetry, but you will still struggle. I struggle that with a lot. So this is the easiest method I find. I mean, you can try and you know, I mean, my drawing skills are or pen skills are like not that great. So you can try to do. I mean, like this is, and let's round them up also. So you can find a way. I mean, this will not be a problem. Let's round these also. Now you can take a just flatten it first, and then I mean you can do that. That's not a problem. But I think our original method of doing this or doing it like this was very good. So let's go to the next one. What is the next? This is the next one. Oh, this is nice. I would like to crop it out so that we can see it properly. I can just make I don't need to crop it loud like this every time. I can just, I'll show you different method. I can just use this image and do this. This is clever way, right? Or from like I can go to left. Just you need to keep pressing. If you do it like free form, this will deform. But press Control or Command and then do this. If you want to symmetrically grow it, you need to press Alt or Option on your computer, and then you will be able to do this. But for command for this simple one side. Okay, so let's do this. Delete everything inside, put it in. And now let's try to figure out what is happening here. Okay, so these are three. Okay, one triangle inside, then another triangle. Hmm, I need to use some rotating method in this one. So this is okay. So let me try. Let me try. Let me try. Hmm. If it is symmetrical, okay. So I think I got this. What is the height? 20. I'm gonna use 20. Whatever. Or let's just use 18. And this is 18. Okay. I'm gonna make something which is 18 and 18 and delete one point. And if I combine these two, I have something. Flip this, and now I got this 0. Now I can just combine this. Certain. Good. I got this now, right? Now let's go to the flip flipping part. Okay, this is flipped. Hmm. I think the I need to find some other way. This is not a nice way to design this, I think. This looks like there are hmm, okay, let's use some other methods. If okay, three, right? Or triangle. This is the triangle stroke. I'll make it, and the angles I can make like this. Let's try to grow. Okay, I'm getting something right. Let's rotate this. We are getting something, but I can't just change this value of this, so it will be a little difficult. Okay, so let me try and remove this from here. Hmm, outline stroke, flatten. Hmm, what is this? This looks like a dog. I just need to add some ears, right? Doesn't this look like a dog? This definitely looks like a dog. See this now. Or a lion, but I would say it's a dog. Let me add some ears. Uh, how, what is should be the distance? Okay, we have a dog here. Or let's just increase the distance. Do we have a dog? I don't think we have a dog. We can have dog like this. This is a dog. No, no, this is not a dog. So am I, was I not able to design this? No, I'll use pen tool. Pen tool is a Brahmastra. Pen tool always works. If nothing is working, go to the pen tool. Simple. I think I don't know if anyone is even watching. How many people are watching? No idea. I don't think anyone. No one is watching, guys. No one is watching. Literally no one. Literally no one is watching. And I think I have optimized the setup to look good on mobile phones also, so we don't have to worry about now. So now I understand how to do live streaming, but I don't know, bro. It's like too different, and I'm not able to focus on chat. There has to be some chat, right, to talk, but we don't have a chat, right? If we have a chat, then oh, I got new method. I'll show you a new method. Okay, so what is this? It's nothing but a bunch of lines. Have you watched the Karim Nathi parody? This is nothing but this is nothing but a bunch of lines. So let's draw lines. I don't like one thing in this because this is not like angle is not 60-degree. This is some weird angle. I don't like this angle. Let's try to create on this angle only. This is this angle, right? Okay, so this is good angle. And this is nothing but a line. This is nothing but a line. Okay, now one more line. Nothing and one more line. Oh, I got a method. So basically, now I need to find two lines. Okay, so one line is not good. I need to find two lines because this is like width also I need to make sure, right? The width also is good. So just find two lines who are parallel to each other, and then I can use this method here. I'm going to delete every single line that I have drawn here. accept the image. I'm gonna paste that. Okay, this is good, right? I need to make it three because there are three lines, three sections, and distance should be 22 should be good enough. 23 is good, right? Okay, so one, two, three. Do we have something? Yes, we do have something. And this is last one, fourth. This is fifth, and this is sixth. This is not inside the frame. I put it inside the frame now. Or I can use one more method, one last time, okay? It's a grid. Now I got it. It's a grid, right? So if you just use this and create a grid out of it, then you have it. Okay, so now new methods. New methods are keep popping up because I'm just making it more efficient and efficient. Right, right. New method will be really crazy. Okay, just get ready for this. Now I need to just align them on one point. Yes, and now I'll show you the magic. Do you want to see it? All right. Delete the image and let's copy paste this. Use all these frames and make them a group. Okay, and these three groups, let's just union them. So I've united them. I can just flatten this. So these are the points. This is the grid that I have created. I'll show you in white. I can just shift and delete these points if I want to. I can delete whatever I want now. This is what we have created, and this can be used now to design our original shape. Okay, now let's go and do that. So basically, what do we need? We need to create this. Okay, so first of all, we need this. Okay, we need this here. So let me create that. How do we do that? Use, oh मुझे खाना भी खाना है यार, खाया नहीं मैंने. And then here, this is also done. So this is, we have this, and now let's go upper. This, this, this. Now as we hit the corner, we're gonna move on. This. Yes. And now let's go to the next one. This. This is essentially what it is, right? I'm gonna delete all the points, all the useless points. This became more difficult than I thought it would be. That's, I'm in 2 minutes I'm gonna go and have my food. I don't know if my landlord has closed the door. I need to check. We can do this anytime, okay? So I'm gonna do this again later. Okay, bye bye guys. Bye bye.